係黑貓啊！呢個係第二啊，又係呢個唔知乜恐怖夜班啦，嚟啊玩啦！我唔想再有嗰個 bug 啦。呢個嚟。耶，4個人啊，幾好。我雜貨店夜班工作好可怕咩？咪就係抌嗰個唔知乜嘢去個垃圾桶度。
Hello. Welcome to your first night shift. We're really glad to have you here running the grocery store. And hey, thanks for taking the job. The previous employees, well, they either quit pretty fast or just disappeared without notice. But I'm sure you'll be fine.
有個通風口咧，應該要用100個螺絲。然後咧，
Wait for the customer to come to the counter.
扭到佢。我哋唔係買呢啲嘅咩？你買咗嗰啲嘅？我呢個人有唔同啊！快啲舉報佢。快啲啦！呢個啱㗎啦，肯定。唔使講。唉，啱晒，好，你哋走開一邊啦。
The customer's answers match their information. Complete the transaction. Hey, look at you! You checked out your first customer. Great job!
然之後嗰個反人
keep that same energy going for the rest of the night. And try not to overthink things.
喺邊啊 ？Hello.
Here comes another customer.
有咩？
Wait for the customer to come to the counter.
浮空嘅。佢應該係個來自唔同咯。我哋整咗職業同年齡先。
Bag the customer's items. Take a moment to review the customer's information on the computer. Press these buttons to ask the customer to verify their information. The customer is wrong about where they're from. Customers that answer questions incorrectly are doppelgangers.
我係喺遊戲裏面最勁嘅。
Make sure to also look out
係啊，我係最勁嘅。
weird-looking customers, as well as incorrect names.
所以我要攞
Pick
出
up the
嚟
pistol
走
and shoot the doppelganger. Use the mop to clean the goo on the floor.
你去抹，然之後我去抌，唔想仲有個 bug。快啲抹啦！
Now, throw the body out in the dumpster outside
Bye bye, I'll
behind the store. Hey, you got rid of your first doppelganger. Nice work. It was a little messy, sure, but you handled it like a pro.
冇嘢啦，我哋
That's enough for your first night. Head to the bus to complete the shift.
可唔可以攞個槍出嚟先？而家咧直接咧射爛個公交車。真係有人攞住個槍。新質，哇咁少嘅。咦？又乜啊？攞住個。
Hey, welcome back for shift number 2. You actually made some leftover cash from last night. Congrats. You can use that to buy some supply shop.
個電話喺
Go to
邊
the
度？呢
order
度。
screen and order an item box.
等等。
Pick up the item box and restock the shelf.
仲要補貨㗎，可唔可以射爛啲貨㗎？
Perfect. Quick heads up on your paycheck. After the company takes out the quota,
射緊啊！
their share.
老闆點 點解你仲
Whatever
唔
money
嚟？
is
然
left
之後鬧
over
我
is yours to
哋？
keep. You
個
can
老
take that
闆真
extra
係
cash
咧
over to the
好有
supply shop
耐
and
性。
buy some cool things. It's basically bonus money for being so good at your
你搞
job.
咩啊？我㗎，
Anyway,
我㗎，
I'll be
咪
going
搶
now.
啦，俾你啦
Just。remember what I've taught you so far, and you'll be fine. Good luck running the place.
人喺
You
邊啊？
got this.
你唔好再講嘢啦，我識玩㗎啦。哎呀，嚟快啲快啲快啲，唔係嘅話我就射你。喂，你做乜亂射啊你？喂啊！你做乜？走開啦你！又要掃地。喂，你唔驚嘅咩？嗯，好，來自邊？啱嘅，OK。嗱，呢個手槍咧，唔該，你一亂射。
This camera is so unique.
OK。佢怪人嚟嘅喎。啱啱嗰個人好勁，直接交易完成。喂，佢嚟啦！要做咩啊？我哋 ？Hello，我哋要做啊？要怪咩？打個999先啦。吓？就咁咋？仲以為佢幾勁，驚都唔使驚啦咁。下次嚟兩隻我哋都搞得掂。又嚟啊！公交車。唉，我嚟啦！快啲過嚟啊！嗰個。好，截停個會，等到第